Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. It is 6 a.m. right now and I am going on a really long 700-kilometer road trip right now in the Mahindra Scorpio N. Come along. 240 kilometers done in the past 4 hours and it has been a very comfortable drive in the Scorpio N. By the way, you guys might have already guessed that I am heading to Hyderabad. But why Hyderabad? Simply because my wife Nureen is from Hyderabad and after marrying her, I've seen a completely different side of Hyderabad with respect to food. And in today's video, my aim is to show you that different side from a Hyderabadi's perspective. Now, obviously, I'm not a Hyderabadi. I'm still an outsider outside of Hyderabad. But now I know the places where you get the best freaking biryani. I know I'm talking about biryani, but by the time I reach Hyderabad, मुझे भी तो कुछ खाना पड़ेगा, and hence the dosa and chai. Anyways, let's get back to the road trip in the Scorpio N Automatic, an SUV which is very comfortable to drive on such long journeys. A quick stop for fuel made me realize that the fuel efficiency difference between the manual and automatic versions of the Scorpio N is negligible. "430 kilometers in 7.5 hours and the Scorpio N is just munching the miles. This is a very comfortable SUV. En route, I spotted this. Yeah, that's a massive fort. In fact, it spans 3 kilometers in length and it is one of the biggest and by far the best fort in India. This is the Naldurg Fort, which is just 50 kilometers from Solapur. Late lunch done and now I'm just 3 hours away from Hyderabad, which is approximately 180 kilometers. This car has been absolutely fantastic. In fact, I'm not tired at all because of the comfort levels and this 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox, which is very quick with shifts. Yeah, it gets the right shift most of the time and then it is very smooth as well. The engine is punchy, it's very refined, and that's the reason this car is munching on the miles very effortlessly. The thing I love about the Scorpio N is the ride and handling balance. It's a good handler by SUV standards, but the ride quality is quite good. The roads are smooth, of course, but certain places now the roads are broken or probably they've forgotten to make the roads completely. And on those roads, this car has absolutely annihilated them. So potholes, bad roads, no problem for the Scorpio N, and that's something I completely believe in because I drove this similar spec car, a diesel automatic 4-wheel drive, from South Africa to Namibia and back, taking it over the worst of roads and driving the nuts out of the car, and trust me, I've become a big fan of the Scorpio N after that particular drive. Overall, feel of this car is amazing because you're obviously driving an SUV. This gearbox can be manually controlled too, so if I slot the gear lever on the left, that gives me manual control of the gearbox, so I can make my own shifts if I so wish. Now, by the time I reach Hyderabad, obviously I'm going to encounter a lot of traffic, but in certain cars now, an automatic is better, and the Scorpio N is one of those cars because the automatic offers the same levels of performance. In fact, it offers so much more convenience that you're better off getting an automatic with the Scorpio N. After driving 691 kilometers in under 12 hours, I reached Hyderabad and called it a night. Good morning, I'm right now in the old city and you can see the most popular landmark of Hyderabad right behind me, Charminar. Charminar is a monument with 4 pillars and was made way back in the 1500s. It is the most famous building in India and is the symbol of Hyderabad. Charminar is one of the three things Hyderabad is known for. The second one is pearls, which is available right here around the Charminar, which is surrounded by the popular Lad Bazaar that is basically a bangles market. The third thing is of course biryani, but before we get there, let's have breakfast. I have come here to eat Lukmi, which is like a samosa but way tastier. Amazing. Actually, it's a crispy patty with a filling inside. Mostly meat, but vegetarian iterations have also surfaced lately. I love Lukmi so much that whenever I come to Hyderabad, the first thing my in-laws order is this. It was apparently the Nizam's favorite dish, and it's not easily available everywhere. You have to go to the old city only. Now finally, it's biryani time. Paradise, Bawarchi and Pista House are marketed as the best. But a true Hyderabadi will never eat at these places because the biryani is good but not great here. If you want the best biryani, you have to head to Shadab or Sarvi or Cafe Bahar or Shagos, where I'm headed right now. A small disclaimer. These restaurants know that their biryani tastes the best and thus have completely ignored service quality, and even the interiors of these restaurants isn't well maintained. Chicken special biryani और chicken biryani में क्या difference? Quantity बस और कुछ नहीं रहता. So much biryani quantity for only rupees 210, and I always prefer to dine in and not do takeaway because the biryani flavor tastes the best when it's fresh and hot. Pardon me for eating like this, but the best way to eat biryani is by hand only. Hyderabad has crazy number of restaurants, and that's the reason why some restaurants have really weird names. I am not kidding, the names you see on the screen are actually true. Don't worry my vegetarian friends, there's something unique for you to eat in Hyderabad too. Mirchi ka salan and khatti dal, which is self-explanatory. By the way, this is Rogni roti, which was Nawab's favorite roti. It's made with milk and saffron. No water is used in its making. Another local favorite is patthar ka gosht, which is meat slow cooked on stone. It's yum. By the way, Hyderabad has a lot more unique foods like bagara khana, talawa, gosht and marag. And I have not covered dessert because I'm not much of a sweet tooth. But you should definitely try Jauzi Halwa, Double Ka Meetha and Kubani Ka Meetha. These are some awesome dishes in Hyderabad. I am now so full that I don't think I can eat anything for the next couple of days. But more than food, I am looking forward to my drive back to Mumbai in the Scorpio, and this is a fantastic SUV. And the automatic makes driving that much more convenient. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you see, what? How do I forget that shit? Kiss me Monday. Hopefully, kuch thi gaya.